Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can turn Forex trading into a full-fledged business. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will guide you through the steps to build a sustainable trading business. Let's get started. Forex trading is often seen as a quick way to make money, but the truth is, it's a business. Just like any other business, it requires strategy, discipline, and proper management. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn Forex trading into a serious business and build long-term wealth. Many traders fail because they treat Forex like gambling instead of running it as a business. A successful trader has a plan, follows risk management, and keeps records of every trade. Like any business, you need the right tools. A dedicated workspace, reliable internet, a solid trading platform, and a risk management strategy. If you're trading on the go, use a mobile-friendly broker with real-time data access. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is risking too much. Professional traders follow strict risk management, typically risking only 1% of their account per trade and aiming for a 3-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. Successful business owners track performance, and traders should do the same. Keep a trading journal, review your trades, and adjust your strategy as needed. As you grow, reinvest your profits and look for ways to scale up. If you want to make Forex trading your business, start treating it like one. Have a plan, manage your risks, and track your progress. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge in Forex.